Hello, this is Brian Kim from World History Class C. To start with, this is my landform, which is between Niger River. This and our civilization is surrounded by a desert, which is kind of like natural barriers. This is a mine that has iron, garnet, gold, and copper in it. This is inside of it. And just next to it, there is a massive amount of farmland, and they has a wheat in it, and in every fall, they contains the wheats here. This is a government's kind of like house that collects the taxes of the villagers and controls the agriculture of this civilization. This is a watermill that helps to make a flour, and this is one of their advanced technology. They get the ore from the mine and makes them pure, like this. Here is school, and next to school there is hospital. And there is window that can like observe what is going on in hospital. And as you can predict, they observe and study about what is going on like hospital and medical. This is like cooking space, and they learn cooking, and like library, reading and writings, and also there is like kind of things like Dino, which is sacred text, and this is art. They like also learn art. This is a place that students learn how to shoot a bow and fight here. This is a castle that Pontiff and the king lives, and also they can protect the civilization from another country. This temple that sometimes becomes a church or court that king like leads. And before going to the temple, they have to enter here to clean their body. And this is a fossil, which is eye of the dinosaur god, and they pray here. This is a plate for pontiff to sacrifice the cows to get a happiness. These are slaves, normal class slaves that sells things. This is a marketplace that has like kind of clothes and like horse, and this is a town square that all the traders, foreigners, and villagers can middle. There's a two village here, which is they live, and this is a hotel system that foreigners and traders live. This is the port that, which is like only one direction and way to come this civilization because it is all surrounded by Niger River and deserts. This is some kind of like military base plus port control to control the like ports and like defend and watch is there any some enemies or like dangerous thing coming in this civilization. Last but not least, there is a tower that search for the enemies, and they works by getting a fire if there is enemy, and uh, telling there is some dangers by this smoke to all the civilization to know there is dangerous things. Thank you for watching.